Hello students, in today's English class we are going to read chapter 1 of English practice book DAV board, that is putting it together, which means that whatever you have read in your previous classes, that we are going to revise in this chapter. This chapter contains the parts of speech that you read in your previous classes. So let's move on to the parts of speech. What are they? Let's see. We have 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. In your chapter, we will read noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition. So now first of all, what is a noun? Let's see it. Noun is a part of speech which refers to the name of a person, place, thing or idea, and also an animal. Examples are cat, fireman, house, pencil, Chicago. Chicago is the name of a place, pencil, name of a thing, house, name of a thing, fireman, name of a person, cat, name of an animal. Now let's move back to your chapter. In this chapter, we will learn the types of noun. So I have explained you what is a noun. Now let's move on to the types of noun. So here on the next page, we will see here, okay. The types of noun are a proper noun, a common noun, and an abstract noun. A proper noun refers to a particular person, place, or thing. Example, Lata Mangeshkar, name of a particular person. Kolkata, name of a particular place. The Times of India, the Taj, name of a particular thing. Remember students, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now what is a common noun? It is a name given in common to a person, place or thing of the same class and kind. Which means that when we give a common name to any person, place or thing which appears to be of the same class or they are of the same kind. For example, boy, girl, man, woman, computer, plane, town, pencil. An abstract noun refers to a quality, idea, experience, feeling, state which can be thought of or felt, which means that when we give the name to any quality, idea, experience, feeling, or the condition, state means condition, of which we can think of or we can feel, but we cannot touch it or see it. For example, kindness. Fine. Love, name of a feeling. Fear, beauty, warmth, anger, darkness, heaviness, purity, hatred. Fine. So here and for if we go for the state or the condition, it can be childhood, brotherhood, or poverty. Fine. Now after knowing all the types of these of the noun, now we will move to the worksheet 1. Now in worksheet 1, what you have to do students, read the following passage, make a list of proper nouns, common nouns and abstract nouns in the passage in appropriate columns given on the next page. So here you will read the story of Mr. Arya and his family. Read this whole story carefully. Look for the proper noun, common noun and abstract noun. Come to the next page here. And here in the column you are going to fill the answers You will find proper noun and you will fill it here, common noun you will fill it here, and abstract noun you are going to fill it here. Now since you do not have your workbook, you can write this in your notebook. You can write the heading worksheet 1 and then make this table and write all your answers in the column like this. Now we will move on to the next worksheet. This is worksheet B. Now given below are the visuals of some famous people, places and things. Write the name of each of the visuals in column A and what the visual is about in column B. First one has been done for you. We can see here the visual. It is of a person and the name is written Mr. Sunil Arya. Now who is he? He is a scientist. Fine. Now we will come to the next visual. Here you can see there is a building and very famous building. This is, we all know it. So we will write here the name of the building, that is the Taj Mahal. And what is it? It is a historical monument or a historical building. Fine. I hope you have understood, students. You can do rest of the exercise like this only. And then you will see here all the words. After filling in, you will find that column A are proper nouns and in column B are common nouns. You can also do this C exercise in your notebook. Fine. Further topics will be covered in the next video. Thank you.